Hi everybody, you're watching a Happy Trails Hiking Park travel short. Today, we're exploring Wizard Island on Crater Lake National Park out in Oregon. Wizard Island is a volcanic cone that rises 763 feet above Crater Lake. For those who might be interested in a closer look at the blue waters of Crater Lake, Cleetwood Cove Trail is the only legal way to get there. We started our adventure to Wizard Island here in July of 2016. This is a very steep hike. It drops 700 feet in elevation in its 1.1 mile. As you can see here, the views along the way are wonderful and a great excuse to stop and take a breather. Once you've made it to the bottom, swimming and wading are permitted, but remember, the lake is 57 degrees. To get to Wizard Island, we took a boat. This service was provided by a concessionaire. There were two cruise options when we were setting up our cruise: a standard lake cruise or the Wizard Island tour. We chose the Wizard Island tour. There's also a Wizard Island shuttle. As you get to the shore of Wizard Island, you can certainly tell that it is a cinder cone. The hike to the summit of Wizard Island is 2.2 miles round trip. The first part of this trail starts out really rocky, but it does smooth out and you get wonderful views of Crater Lake. As you get closer to the summit of Wizard Island, you'll notice dead trees. They were killed by a parasitic plant called dwarf mistletoe. The views from the top are completely worth the climb. At the top, there's a path that's 3/10 of a mile. It leads around the 90-foot deep crater of Wizard Island. All too soon, it was time for us to head back and catch our boat for the rest of the tour. We have a full video about our hike up and the rest of the tour, which includes Phantom's ship. We would love to have you take a look at our other videos from Crater Lake. Till next time, this is Kay from Happy Trails Hiking, and we hope to see you in our parks.